Inside a modern coconut factory. Every day, thousands of coconuts arrive at this modern factory. What looks like a simple fruit is turned into premium coconut water and many other products. In this documentary, we will see the full process step by step from fresh coconuts to ready to sell product. Modern machines, strict hygiene, and advanced technology are used in every stage. Step number 1. Coconut arrival. The process starts when trucks filled with fresh coconuts arrive at the factory. Workers first check the quality of the coconuts. They inspect the size, weight, and condition of each one. Bad or damaged coconuts are removed. Only the best coconuts are used for production. Step number 2. Washing process. After sorting, the coconuts move to the washing area. High pressure water and large brushes clean dirt and dust from the outside. Keeping everything clean is very important because the product must meet international food safety standard. Step number 3. Removing the husk. Next, the thick outer husk is removed. Powerful machines quickly cut away the hard fibers from each coconut. The removed fibers are not wasted. They are later used to make ropes, mats, and farming materials. Step number 4. Coconut water extraction. After the husk is removed, the coconuts are cracked open. The fresh coconut water is collected through stainless steel pipes. The entire system stays sealed to keep the water clean and safe. Coconut water is popular around the world because it is natural and rich in electrolytes. Step number 5. Coconut meat separation. Once the water is collected, the water coconut meat is separated from the shell. Special machines do this job quickly and safely. This coconut meat is used to make coconut milk, coconut cream, and many food products. Step number 6. Coconut milk production. The coconut milk is widely used in cooking, desserts, and drinks. Step number 7. Filtration process. Next come filtration and purification. Modern filters remove tiny particles and unwanted materials. The products are then processed at controlled temperatures to kill bacteria and extend shelf life. Every batch is tested in a laboratory to ensure quality. Step number 8. Automated transfer system. Inside the factory, all liquids move through large stainless steel pipelines. This automated system reduces human contact and keeps the product hygienic. Computers monitor the entire production line in real time. Step number 9. Bottle sterilization. Before packaging, all bottles and cans are sterilized. High heat and steam are used to remove germs and bacteria. This step is very important for food safety. Step number 10. Filling process. Now the filling process begins. Automatic machines fill each bottle with the exact amount of coconut water. The process happens inside a sealed environment to keep the product fresh and pure. Advanced sensors make sure every bottle is filled correctly. Step number 11. Sealing and labeling. After filling, the bottles are sealed tightly. Then labeling machines add brand information and nutrition details. Hundreds of bottles can be processed every minute. Step number 12. Quality inspection. Before shipping, every product goes through a final quality inspection. Cameras and sensors check the seals, labels, and liquids labels. Any defective product is automatically removed. Step number 13. Storage and shipping. Finished products are stored in large cold storage areas. Later, they are loaded into trucks and shipping containers. Thousands of liters of coconut water are shipped worldwide every day. Step number 14. Recycling process. One impressive part of this factory is that almost nothing goes to waste. Coconut shells are used as fuel, and for activated carbon, the fibers are reused in farming and industrial products. Even wastewater is cleaned and reduced from a simple coconut to a premium global product. This entire process depends on modern technology, strict hygiene, and skilled workers. Every step is carefully controlled to ensure high quality. If you enjoyed this factory documentary, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more amazing industrial stories.